Welcome to Car Vibes, where today we dive into one of the most anticipated supercar revivals of the decade, the all-new 2026 Porsche 918 Spyder. This isn't just another high-performance car. It's a statement from Porsche that the future of hypercars can still be thrilling, raw, and emotionally engaging while embracing the most advanced hybrid technology available. The original 918 Spyder, launched over a decade ago, redefined the hybrid supercar game by combining breathtaking performance with remarkable efficiency. Now, Porsche has returned with a completely re-engineered masterpiece, one that pushes boundaries in power, aerodynamics, and driving dynamics beyond anything we've seen before from Stuttgart. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2026 918 Spyder, you realize Porsche has taken the iconic silhouette of its predecessor and sharpened it into something even more aggressive, aerodynamic and futuristic. The low-slung profile, wide stance, and flowing lines are perfectly balanced by the intricate active aerodynamic elements, including a fully adaptive rear wing, underbody air channels, and active front flaps that work together to generate massive downforce at high speeds. The signature LED matrix headlights give it a piercing gaze, while the rear is dominated by a futuristic diffuser and top-mounted exhausts that spit flames during hard acceleration. Every contour, vent, and surface of the body is functional, sculpted in wind tunnels to extract maximum performance while keeping the Spyder's elegance intact. Underneath that sculpted body lies the beating heart of the 2026-918 Spyder, a hybrid powertrain that blends Porsche's latest motorsport technology with cutting-edge electrification. At the center is a naturally aspirated 4.6-liter V8, now re-engineered with lightweight titanium components, variable geometry intakes, and a redline pushed to an incredible 10,000 revolutions per minute. This engine alone produces over 720 horsepower, but the magic happens when it's paired with Porsche's next-generation electric motors, one on the front axle and another integrated into the gearbox for the rear. Together, the combined output surges past 1,050 horsepower and 1,300 newton-meters of torque, making it one of the most powerful production cars in the world. The hybrid system uses a 900 volts solid-state battery pack, capable of delivering instant torque while recharging far quicker than traditional lithium-ion systems. Performance numbers are simply mind-bending. The 2026 Porsche 918 Spyder rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 1.9 seconds, reaching 200 kilometers per hour in under 5 seconds. Top speed? A staggering 405 kilometers per hour, placing it firmly in the Hypercar elite. The all-wheel drive system enhanced with torque vectoring. An active power distribution between each wheel ensures razor-sharp cornering precision. The car also offers multiple driving modes, from a pure electric e-drive mode for silent city cruising, to hybrid sport for balanced performance, and hot lap mode that unleashes the full fury of the powertrain for track domination. The electric motors are not just for straight-line speed. They enhance traction out of corners, eliminate turbo lag, and create a driving experience that feels almost telepathic. Inside, the cabin is a fusion of motorsport minimalism and luxury craftsmanship. The driver sits in a carbon fiber tub surrounded by Alcantara, leather, and exposed forged composites. The steering wheel is inspired by Porsche's Le Mans race cars, with integrated drive mode selectors, Reagan braking adjustments, and a digital display that keeps essential data directly in the driver's line of sight. A massive curved OLED central screen houses the infotainment system, supporting Porsche's latest AI-based driving assistant, track telemetry, and augmented reality navigation. The passenger gets their own smaller interactive display, allowing them to monitor performance stats or control comfort settings. Weight has been kept to a minimum through the use of magnesium seat frames, titanium fasteners, and ultra-thin Gorilla Glass for the displays. The chassis is a marvel of engineering, built from a monocard carbon fiber structure that is both stiffer and lighter than before. Porsche's adaptive suspension system uses predictive sensors and GPS data to adjust damping before the car even hits a bump or enters a corner. The new four-wheel steering system enhances stability at high speeds and agility at low speeds, making the 918 Spyder surprisingly manageable on tight roads despite its monstrous capabilities. Braking is handled by massive carbon ceramic discs with advanced brake-by-wire control, offering incredible stopping power and regeneration capabilities that feed energy back into the battery. During deceleration, one of the most fascinating aspects of the 2026 918 Spyder is how it blends sustainability with extreme performance. The hybrid system allows for zero-emission city driving for up to 65 kilometers on electric power alone, while Porsche's engineers have worked tirelessly to make the gasoline engine run cleaner and more efficiently than ever before. The solid-state battery not only charges faster but also lasts longer with minimal degradation over time. Even the car's aerodynamics have been designed with efficiency in mind, reducing drag when cruising and maximizing downforce only when needed. Of course, exclusivity is part of the appeal. Porsche is producing only 1,200 units of the 2026918 Spyder worldwide, each hand-built to the owner's specifications. Buyers can choose from an extensive range of customization options through Porsche exclusive manufacture, including unique paint finishes, bespoke interior trims, and even tailored aerodynamic setups for track-focused owners. Pricing starts at around $2.2 million before options. But as history has shown, the value of such limited production Porsches only climbs over time. Driving the new 918 Spyder is an experience that borders on the surreal. The howl of the V8 at 10,000 revolutions per minute, combined with the instantaneous surge from the electric motors, creates an orchestra of mechanical and electric harmony. The steering feedback is pure Porsche, communicative, precise, and confidence-inspiring. On the track, the car feels like it bends the laws of physics, carrying mind-blowing speeds through corners and stopping with a ferocity that pins you into your seatbelt. On the road, it can be as docile and refined as a luxury grand tourer, quietly gliding on electric power with climate control and premium audio keeping things comfortable. The 2026 Porsche 918 Spyder is more than a car. It's a glimpse into the future of hypercars. It proves that hybridization doesn't have to mean compromise, and that cutting-edge technology can coexist with raw, visceral driving excitement. Porsche has managed to create a machine that honors its racing heritage while embracing the next chapter of performance motoring. For those lucky enough to own one, it's not just transportation, it's an engineering masterpiece, a work of art, and a driving experience that will be remembered for generations. In the end, this is Porsche sending a clear message to the automotive world. The age of the driver is far from over, and the future of performance is here, faster and more thrilling than ever. The 2026 918 Spyder doesn't just continue the legacy, it redefines it.